This is day 10 of your 60-second IB Bio crash course. Today we're looking at homologous versus analogous structures. So this fits into the topic of evolution. Now what's the difference? Homologous structures look similar but perform different functions. Analogous structures perform similar functions but look different. Let's look at this in more detail. An example of a homologous structure is the pentadactyl limb. This means having a hand with 5 fingers. This is shared across tons of organisms, including humans, but also animals that swim and animals that fly. So even though they're adapted to different functions, swimming, grabbing things, etc., we still can serve the same function with 5 fingers. Why is that? Because of evolution, because the pentadactyl limb comes from a common ancestor. With analogous structures, we have the example of fins. So fish and whales have both adapted fins to swim. However, when you actually look at the structure of the fins, they're very, very different. This makes sense because whales are mammals and fish are not, meaning the fins don't come from a common evolutionary ancestor. What this entails is that the fins have evolved separately. That's why homologous structures are an example of divergent evolution, whereas analogous structures are an example of convergent evolution. That's analogous and homologous structures. Follow for more.